Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin's sixth letter to the DMK cadre. Now, the governor's charge that two-language policy takes away opportunity to learn other South Indian language is unacceptable, is what the content of the letter is. Remember, there has in fact been at least 5 letters that was written by the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin to the DMK cadre regarding the new education policy. And in this particular letter, he in fact has pointed out the cons of accepting new education policy. Remember, the new education policy, the DMK believes is anti-Tamil, and in fact, it is imposition of Hindi language in the state is the statement that has been made by M.K. Stalin time and again. Now, in this particular letter, the governor's charge that two-language policy takes away the opportunity to learn other South Indian language is unacceptable, is what the content of the letter is. Let me now go across to my colleague Purnima Murli for more details. Purnima, take us through the details of this letter that has been written by Chief Minister to the DMK cadre.
Well, this is in fact the sixth letter written by Chief Minister M.K. Stalin to the party cadre. The DMK clearly making language, Hindi imposition, language war as one of the election issues in the run-up to the 2026 State Assembly polls. And in the sixth letter, Chief Minister once again says that there are attempts to impose Hindi. The BJ is trying to, trying to impose Hindi in Tamil Nadu, and that will not happen. And also lashes out at Governor R.N. Ravi. In fact, this time says that the governor is also trying to act as an agent of the BJP by trying to impose Hindi. The statements made by governor, they are factually not correct, and therefore says that DMK will continue to oppose Hindi imposition, oppose NEP 2020, and that's the sixth letter that M.K. Stalin has written. Clearly, the DMK from Chief Minister M.K. Stalin to Deputy Chief Minister Udayanidhi to senior leaders including Kanimozhi, all of them have taken the pledge that they will try to fight Hindi imposition, and number 2, the hashtag is fair delimitation for Tamil Nadu. So these are the two issues that the DMK is trying to raise over the last 2 weeks, and that is only going to intensify because we've seen senior leaders, ministers tweeting about language issues, tweeting about Hindi or attempts of Hindi imposition in the state. So clearly this is going to be the election issues that the DMK will raise till the state goes to polls next year.
Absolutely. The war of words is in fact escalating between the BJP and the DMK over the new education policy and delimitation. We have to, of course, see how it goes on from here. Many thanks, Purnima. Let's